You got motherfucking 600 boy LA, man. LA Capone, man. Get it to him, man. OC2 boy.
And I went downstairs, and when I went downstairs, that's when they came out and said that he had passed away or whatever. And it's like, I probably didn't need to be there to hear that, because I don't know, everybody was, when I came back up, everybody was going crazy and all that, and I just left because I couldn't stand to look at that and see all these people crying, and Gotti kicked a hole in the wall at the hospital, and it was like madness, and I felt like I needed to just get away from all of them, and I left and went downstairs. It's just like, I don't know, he looked at, when I finally did see him, he looked so little, like a baby to me again, and I could see these dry tears, in the cracks of his eyes, and it just, tore me up, because I